Welcome! In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through creating professional reports in MS Access using the Report Wizard. It's a straightforward 12-step process that will have you generating reports in no time. First things first, let's get MS Access up and running with a database that has all the information you need for your report. You'll find the Create tab at the top of the ribbon. Go ahead and click on that to access the report tools. Now, in the Reports section, you'll see the Report Wizard option. This handy tool will walk you through the entire report creation process step by step. The wizard starts by asking you to pick your data source. Select the specific table or query that has the information you want to feature in your report. Here's where you decide what information appears in your report. Move the fields you want from the available list over to the Selected Fields box, then continue forward. If you'd like your data organized in a particular order, you can select up to 4 fields to sort by. Once you've made your choices, move on to the next step. Time to think about presentation. Pick a layout style that works for your needs and decide whether you want your report in portrait or landscape orientation. Go ahead and proceed to the next screen. Give your report a descriptive name so you can easily find it later in your database. Before we finalize everything, let's preview the report to make sure it looks exactly how you want it. Everything looks good! Click Finish to complete the report generation. And there you have it! You've successfully created a report in MS Access using the Report Wizard. Your report is now ready to view, print, or share. That wraps up our walkthrough. You now know how to generate reports in MS Access from start to finish. Feel free to go through this again anytime you need a refresher.